Welcome. Let's explore the future of networking and discuss the emerging technologies and trends in computer networks. Networking is constantly evolving, so understanding these changes is crucial for anyone involved in technology. Let's dive into some key networking trends that are shaping the future. We'll be looking at fifth generation and beyond, including sixth generation research, zero trust security architecture, artificial intelligence-driven network management, edge computing expansion, and network function virtualization. First, let's discuss fifth generation or 5G technology. This includes peak speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second, ultra-low latency of just 1 millisecond, network slicing capabilities, massive Internet of Things device support, and enhanced mobile broadband. Now let's consider sixth generation research and vision. This includes terabit per second speeds, microsecond latency, integrated artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities, 3D network architecture, with expected deployment in the year 2030 and beyond. Let's explore software-defined networking or SDN. Software-defined networking separates the network control plane from the data plane, enabling programmable network control and abstracting infrastructure from applications. This approach offers several benefits, including centralized management, network automation, reduced complexity, vendor neutrality, improved security, and dynamic scaling. Next, let's examine edge computing and its impact on network evolution. Edge computing brings computation and data storage closer to the location where it's needed. This improves response times and saves bandwidth. Key features of edge computing include reduced latency for time-sensitive applications like augmented reality, virtual reality, and autonomous vehicles. Additionally, it provides distributed processing which reduces network congestion, enhanced data privacy and security through localized processing, and it enables Internet of Things scalability and real-time analytics. Now let's discuss zero trust security architecture. Zero trust is a security concept centered on the belief that organizations should not automatically trust anything inside or outside their perimeters. They must verify everything trying to connect to their systems. The core principles of zero trust are to verify explicitly, always authenticate and authorize based on all available data points, use least privilege access by limiting user access with just-in-time and just-enough access, and assume breach, minimizing the blast radius and segmenting access, verifying end-to-end encryption. Let's explore how artificial intelligence-driven network management is transforming the landscape. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing network management by enabling predictive analytics, automated optimization, and intelligent decision-making capabilities. This includes use cases such as predictive maintenance and anomaly detection, self-optimizing networks that adapt to traffic patterns, advanced threat detection and automated response, and intelligent resource allocation and power management. Finally, let's look at quantum networking and cryptography. Quantum networking leverages quantum mechanics principles to create ultra-secure communication channels and potentially revolutionize how data is transmitted and processed. This includes quantum key distribution for theoretically unbreakable encryption, quantum repeaters enabling long-distance quantum communication, post-quantum cryptography to counter quantum computing threats, and quantum internet enabling distributed quantum computing. A key concept in quantum computing is superposition, represented by the equation psi equals alpha times 0 plus beta times 1, where the absolute value of alpha squared plus the absolute value of beta squared equals 1. In conclusion, the evolution of networking technologies is accelerating, creating unprecedented opportunities for innovation, connectivity, and digital transformation across industries. Networks are becoming more integrated with artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and edge technologies to create seamless digital experiences. Security-first approaches, like zero trust and quantum-resistant methods, will be fundamental as networks expand and threats evolve. Self-optimizing networks with artificial intelligence-driven management will reduce complexity and enable new capabilities. Thank you. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.